In order to stop a virus, you often have to isolate. You have to go into quarantine. Even before that term became something popular around 2019, many of you had to have a self-imposed isolation, quarantine, and actually you may have even experienced some level of not being totally sure why is it that no one else has done that before you when it came to your family of origin. But by you trusting that something just was quite, it just didn't really sit right with you in regards to how the family dynamics were, and you realize that, okay, the dysfunction that's going on, the invalidation, the lack of accountability, the gossip, all the things that are debilitating, all the things that you knew that you did not want to continue in your life, you had to separate yourself, and you had to, if you're going to ever heal, you're going to have to actually self-isolate. And by you doing so, what is happening is that many of you are beginning to experience your harvest coming into play. Those seeds that you have planted in regard to bringing love into your life, bringing true accountability and respect in your life, even checking aspects of yourself that have picked up negative conditioning and negative patterns. You've done the work. And so you're beginning to see the rewards of your efforts. You're beginning to receive that harvest. So know that it was not a coincidence that you had to go through this. This was necessary. This is why you were what your lineage has been waiting for. Someone to actually come into these family dynamics and actually feel and actually want better and not to become bitter. And so some of the ones that may have warred against you, they may have invalidated your experiences, because again, not everybody in the family dynamic is going to have the same experience. Some people are favored within toxic family dynamics, and others are ridiculed. Others are being in a position as the sacrificial lamb, the scapegoat. But what ended up happening is that when you pulled yourself away and you decided that, okay, I want better for me, and then you begin to receive better in your life, those same ones that warred against you, they're looking to you as a source of inspiration. And others, they may be real pissed because they don't have a punching bag around. They don't have somebody that they can, project their lack of accountability on. Either way, it's a win-win for you. And always choose yourself. You always win.